directions on how to get to Tesco's RDC Goole. I've just come off the M18. I'm now eastbound on the M62. It's not that far from the M18 junction, and it's pretty well located near to the M62. So it's not too bad to get to at all. And joy of joys, it's usually a pretty quick tip. I've never been here overly long. I think a long tip would have been about 2 and a bit hours, which compared to some of the others is pretty good. The average is about between an hour and a half. So signpost Goole A614, junction 36 on the M62. The address is Tesco Stores, Rawcliffe Road, Goole, DN 146XL. You'll need your Tesco's booking reference, and as per most of these big RDCs now, you're booking on a booking in system by the barriers. I like to call them a little kiosk. It's basically the booking in screen. Goole is a GO number. Starts with GO, or the lettering should be GO, sorry, and then a very long number. So make sure you've got that. Coming off junction 36 for Goole. Basically, it's over on the right. We're going to be turning right in this first island, just off the slip road. Again, signposted Goole A614. From here we're about, depending on traffic, 2 to 3 minutes away. So it is literally just off the M62. Island, and immediately come to another island. You bear right, indeed turn right. There's even a sign, distribution centre, just above that parking marker signpost. Indicate left, come off left, Old Goole Docks, the A161. And as you bear round this bit of a bend on this dual carriageway, Tesco's. Minute, well, less than a minute, directly in front of you. You can see the sign. Come to another island, bear right, so there's Tesco's directly in front of you, and the exit is more or less just below that sign. There's a barrier. That's where you will exit onto this roundabout. But the entrance, a lot of new buildings been going up here over the years. So you'll come out here on the left to get in, bear left, and then you'll see signs. Glassworks to the right, parking for staff on the right, and we basically go straight on. It's all signposted up to the barriers. As per normal. Got some roadworks here, but it's normally you pick up. Yeah, you can still do it just the other side of this bridge. The two right-hand lanes tend to be for suppliers. If I remember rightly, speed bumps are quite severe here, so just take it nice and easy. I'm going to book in with my geo booking reference, and then we'll continue once I've done that. Okay, so booked in, you just follow the prompts on the screen. Goes through the health and safety bit of high vis, etc, etc. Then asks for reference numbers, how many pallets you've got, how many be left on, and then it will either give you the bay to get on, as I've just been given, or it will say please come to booking in office, and you find a place upon the right as we go round, and then park up there and walk across. And as it's raining, it tends to be, when it rains, miles away from the driver's waiting room, goods in room. It's all signposted. Just watch traffic joining from the left. This is a one-way site. Follow it round to the left. Not sure whether they have hazard lights on, so I'll just follow what they're doing. I'm on Bay 83, which I think is this end of the building. So we've been tipped again, just under 2 hours, so about right for this place. Come from the right hand side. We're just going to put the demister on because it's absolutely fogged up, I can't see anything. So you bear to the left. Again, remember it's one way. Literally going to go all the way around.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.
Building. The dark grey building sticking out. That's the goods in office and the drivers at the rear. Not too bad. Just there, look on the left. There's metal steps. Again, uncomfortable seating. As per seems to be the norm. Yeah, Goole isn't the worst Tesco's there is. Absolutely soaked. Non-stop raining all day. drivers wanted to do. Walk really feels like half a mile. It's so to the skin again. Let's just follow it round. You'll end up where I said the exit was, with the roundabout. Again, something to be aware of. Not just this Tesco's, but a lot of Tesco's for some reason don't automatically let you out on the number plate recognition. Some do, some don't. This one sometimes does, sometimes it doesn't. So just give it a moment. If it doesn't let you through, let you out, just press the bell. It should let you out. Oh yeah, there you go. Perfect. So this time, this is letting you out. Last time I came here, it's a bit tight, so just be careful. The speed bumps are a nightmare, really harsh. And this is the roundabout that I mentioned earlier.